An empty sack cannot stand. A full sack cannot bend.
Wow. There is strength in being together, in being tied together. That's what I will translate. And just getting it going, if I look at the Tanzania situation, the socialism that was brought in by Nyerere at that point in time, the Undugu, the Ujamaa thing, moving people from the villages where they were and clustering them together, leaving those fields for active agriculture, really made them what they are today. And so you'll never know who is a Chaga, who is a Msukuma. They stand as a people. So for me, unity. There is strength in unity.
I think it's beautiful. Absolutely. It makes sense for sure. Well,